Very happy morning, friends. Hengidira Ellaro. Today was our Independence Day. I hope you went to school and hoisted the flag as well. Hogidra school again. Nice. Super. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆ ರೂಲ್, ಸಿ ಕೆ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವೆನ್ ಡು ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ those words as well. Okay, before that let me start with a small thought. Let me begin with a small thought for the day. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. So it doesn't come once for all. You need to be persistent and consistent whatever you do, right? ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ದೆ ನನಗೆ ಬರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಾವು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ, ರೈಟ್? You need to revise. So many things are behind it. Success will follow only when things are done consistently and repeatedly. Correct? I hope you will accept along with me too. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. It requires hard work as well. I don't deny that fact. But apart from that, what are the small efforts that you can put on your behalf? ಬೇರೆಯೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. That small thought will be within you yourself, right? You yourself can pat your back. Yes, I did it. I can do much more. So success follows for those kind of people. So with this good note, we shall begin today's session. Okay. Compound words ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Does anyone know what do we understand or what do we mean by this compound words? Yes, sir. Compound words. Tell me in a simplest manner. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. Let me do it with the help of a picture so that you'll be able to identify it. ಏನಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳೋ ತರ. Okay, imagine it is raining. Okay, then another picture. A bow which a kid bears on its head. So what am I trying to do over here? They are two words. Yes, two individual words. When I combine together, it gives me totally a different word. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ, ಈ ಪದದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ. But when I conjugate together, when I combine these two words together, it gives me totally a different meaning. What is the word that it comes? The new word that appears is rainbow. Rainbow. We have seen this, right? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ rainbow ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. Yes. So compound words are formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. If you take individual words, it has its own meaning. But when we combine it together, it gives altogether a different meaning, right? Simplest of the example, I have mentioned it on the board. We have a lot more examples in a lot more combination. And it will be of a combination noun plus noun, gerund and a noun, noun plus verb. There are various combinations of these compound words. Okay, we'll have quick look into them as well. First, we'll write the meaning on the board. Okay, let me write the meaning on the board. You can make note of it. Towards the end, we are going to, after I complete this topic, with the help of the pictures, you are going to tell me what the compound word is. Okay. Compound words are formed when two or more words are put together when two or more words are put together to form a new word. ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಪದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ to form a new word together with a new meaning. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋ ಅರ್ಥ. Individually, it is giving a different meaning, but when I combine it together, it altogether gives me a different meaning. That is the reason it is being termed as compound words. So some important compound words, they include using noun plus noun, noun and a gerund, or noun and a verb. Yes, we have combination of noun and noun, noun plus noun. Okay, then gerund and a noun, noun and a verb. You see examples, we'll understand one by one. A new word over here, gerund. What is this gerund? We'll see that as well. Okay. Have you written these many things that I have put up on the board in your book? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? But all you know, any compound word that you have come across, you can let me know in chat box. You can let me know in chat box if you know any compound words that is very familiar to you. Okay, I hope you're thinking. Fine. Just take time and when I start writing one by one, you'll be able to identify it very well. First, we are going to see words of this combination, noun and noun, that formulates a compound verb. Okay? Note, you write, right? Note, you make a note of it. Note plus book. New word formulated as notebook. Individually, it is having a different meaning. When I combine it together, it gives altogether a different meaning. I plus sight. ನೋಡೋದು I ಕಣ್ಣು ನೋಡೋದು eyesight. My eyesight is very good. I can see things from far off places. Yes, my eyesight is very good. Cell plus phone. Cell phone. In these words, if at all we look into it, two words that is being combined, each word, each one of them is a noun. Okay, that is why this compound word is of this combination, noun and a noun. Noun plus noun, noun and a noun, altogether a different compound word with a different meaning. You are writing it together. We do understand, but the meaning it gives when I conjugate it together, it is different, right? New compound word. Some of you have joined now. Compound word, the combination of noun and noun. Okay, right. Next, we are going to see compound word of this combination, gerund and a noun. What is this gerund? Verb plus ing is gerund. Yes, verb together with ing is termed to be as gerund. It can function as a noun in a sentence. Object place allo barbodu. Yes, but here we are understanding it is in the form of a compound word. Okay, we'll see few words, examples, the combination of gerund and a noun for compound words. Dining plus hall. Dining hall. ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋ ಜಾಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ? We have in this dining place, dining room. Some of our houses have this place, dining room. So, dining hall. Washing plus machine. Washing machine. Wash is verb. Together with that, we have added ing. It becomes a gerund. Then this word machine is a noun. So together, it becomes also a new word, washing machine. ಒಗೆಯೋದು ಅದೊಂದು machine. So individual different meaning. Altogether, it gives a different meaning. It's an electronic equipment wherein we use it to wash our clothes. Washing machine. Can you name some words? Can you quote some examples in this format wherein we have verb together with it, ing is there, and after that noun? Come on. Can you? ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ವೇರ್ ಡು ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್? ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಅ yes, sewing machine. That is also a good example. Very nice. Sewing machine. Driving school. Okay, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. I made a note of it. Very nice. Driving school. Washing machine, sewing machine, driving school. ಮನೆಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಿದಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So that we get to know that someone is waiting outside. What is that? What do they use it? And we get to know that someone is waiting outside. What is that word? I'm giving you a hint so that you will let me know the compound word. person is waiting outside our house, and we get to know that the person is waiting outside. With the help of this, we get to know. What do they do once they are outside our house? What do they do? They'll call us. Yes, they do call us. Apart from that, they keep ringing this calling bell, right? Calling bell ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Calling plus bell. Calling bell. Correct. Perfect. Calling bell. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ? ಕರಿತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರು ಬಾಗ್ಲು ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. They keep ringing, or if any courier person is waiting outside, they do this calling plus bell. So here call is verb. Together with this verb we are adding ing. That is why it becomes a gerund. Then after this we are having altogether a different word. It is a noun. So it becomes a new compound word, calling bell. We write it together, right? Calling bell. We don't use any hyphen or as such in this word. Any other example can you give in the for this comment? Gerund plus noun. I see some of you are writing in the chat box. Wow, very nice. Dressing room. Correct. Perfect you are. Dressing room. Amazing. Super ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Dressing room. ಈ ತರ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Come on. Say, students, please let me know. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So interactive you are. Dressing plus room. Dressing room. So first we saw a combination of noun and a noun. Now we are looking into words, that is compound words in the form of gerund and a noun. Yes, gerund and a noun. Cleaning stuff. Wow, good. Amazing examples you are telling. Super. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋ ಪದಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದು ನೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ವರ್ಬ್. ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ವರ್ಬ್ formulates a new set of compound word. Don't understand that noun and verb together put together formulates a compound word. Here this compound word is getting formulated by using noun and a verb. Okay, that is how we need to comprehend it. Fine. Snow fall. Snowfall. ಬೀಳೋದು. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ನೋ. One is a noun, another is a verb. Put together, it formulates a new compound word with a combination of noun and a verb. Any other example? ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಾವೆಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಓದ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 10 ಪೇಜ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 10 pages. Tomorrow I'll be reading from the 11th page, but I will keep something in between. What is that? I'm giving you a hint so that you will identify this compound word, so that you will begin with that page in the next class. What is that word? ಅದೇನದು word ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Joke falls is a kind of waterfalls. Okay, good try. Joke falls. ಅದು ಜಾಗ್ ಫಾಲ್. ಜಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. Brainstorm. Wow, brainstorm. Is storm a verb? Soundproof. Soundproof. Good. Lot of examples. Very nice. ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವ್ತಿದೆ. Butterfly. Wow. Waterfall. Snowfall. Waterfall. Great. ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವು. ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ತಲೆನೋವು, ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವು. ಏಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಬ್. ನೋವ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಹಲ್ಲು. It's a noun and a verb combination. Toothache. Great. Super kids you are. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಾನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಬುಕ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಓದ್ತೀನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ರೀಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕೀಪ್? ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Individual meaning is different. Together it gives a different meaning altogether. Right? Bookmark. Haircut. 15 days we do, right? Haircut. Schools would be so cautious about it. Haircut. Nail cut ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, hair cut ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. When I was studying in schools, they used to check it cautiously. Nail cut, haircut. Okay. Now we'll see some words in football activity. We'll see how whether you are able to identify it. Cupcake. Again, it is in the form of a noun and a noun combination. Good try. A noun and a noun combination formulating a compound word. Very nice. Thank you so much. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಟೂತ್, ಬ್ರಷ್, ಪೇಸ್ಟ್, ಫೇರಿ, ಏಕ್. ಟೂತ್ ಏಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಟು ಇಟ್? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂತ್ ಬ್ರಷ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನೋ? ಟೂತ್ ಬ್ರಷ್. ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ರೈನ್ಬೋನಾ? ರೈನ್ಬೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? We use a raincoat. Raincoat. Two different words formulating a new compound word. What is this? Sunlight. Sunlight? No, not sunlight. Sunflower. Second option ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Wow, super. You're telling answers so quickly. Firefighter, fireplace, fireproof, firefly. Who are they? What do we call this person as? Firefighter. Yes. They help us to solve the issue. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, they come to rescue us. Snowman, snowball, snowflake, snowstorm. Who's this person? Snowball? No, not snowball. Snowman. Correct. Great. ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು. ಏನ್ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು? ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ, ಮೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇ, ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಪ್ಲೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಳಸೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ಲೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ನೌನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೊದಲು ವರ್ಬ್ ನ ಹೇಳೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೌನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಮಪದ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ಮೊದಲಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು, ಆಟ ಆಡೋ ಸ್ಥಳ. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ನಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಗರ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ರೈಟ್? PT period will be going to this place. Foot print, footpath, football, footwear. ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಮ್, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಓದ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಸ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬುಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. This one I had mentioned it on the board, but does this picture denote a bookmark or bookworm, bookcase, bookshelf? What is it? Can someone say in which combination it is this compound word as well? After you tell me the answer, can you tell me in which combination this compound word is written? Is it a noun and a verb, or a verb and a noun, gerund and a noun? Tell me that as well, so that I get to know whether you understood the bifurcation as well. Okay, good try. Book shelf ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹುಳ ಹುಳ ತರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. If at all that picture would have been there, you would have told bookworm. I won't deny that. But this picture depicts a bookshelf. Correct? Star. Starlight, starfish, stardust, starboard. ಸಮುದ್ರ ಕಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? What is this? A starfish. Perfect. Starfish. So when we understand together with the help of pictures, it helps us to understand things much better, right? This example you yourself gave me. Yes, it's been put up in this activity. Waterfall, waterproof, watermelon, water slide. What is this? It is a waterfall, not joke fall. Okay, it's a waterfall. ನೀರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It's a waterfall. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದು ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. That is there, but it won't come under this compound words. Okay, fine. We'll have one more activity. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. One moment. Meaning would be given. With the help of the meaning, you should be identifying the compound word. Okay. Now we had seen activities wherein a picture was given so that it was easy for us to understand, identify the word. Now the meaning is being given. You are going to tell me the word, compound word. Which compound word means extremely exciting? ತುಂಬಾ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇದು? ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅದು? Which word? gives me this meaning. Far-fetched, side effect. Come on, let me know. Is it breathtaking? Yes, it is breathtaking. ಹಬ್ಬಾ ಹಿಂಗಿರತ್ತ ಅದು ವಾವ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಐ ಡೆಂಟ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ wonderstruck with the thing that you're getting to know. What is the potential negative outcome called? Negative outcome. If at all you're taking consuming medicines every day, okay, without a doctor's prescription or medical advice, you are taking by yourself without a doctor's advice. So what will happen? It will definitely have some outcome. So what do we tell it? Drawback, everyday, breathtaking side effect. So it will have, no, not a side effect, it is a drawback. Negative outcome. Negative outcome is the word. Which word describes something unlikely? Something unlikely. Far-fetched. Far-fetched. What term is used for a common occurrence? ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಡೆಯೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Every day that happens. A common occurrence. Every day. Perfect. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ. Unintended reaction. ಈ ತರ ಆಗತ್ತಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, but it was something unintended reaction. What is it? Perfect. This word is side effect. Without knowing itself, we are taking or consuming certain medicines. Yes. What compound word means ordinary? Ordinary. No. Every day. ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಇರೋದು. Ordinary. Another meaning for it. Which term is used for something awe-inspiring? Different way to tell this. We have already identified the word, but different way to tell this. ಹಬ್ಬಾ ಹೇಗಿರತ್ತಾ? I already told this. Breathtaking. What is a synonym for disadvantage? Disadvantage ಗೆ ಇದರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿನಾನಿಮ್ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Side effect, far-fetched, breathtaking, drawback. Okay, you're telling me drawback. Let me check. Perfect. Amazing. You know synonyms, antonyms as well. Okay. So a lot of words that we have come across that tells us compound words. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? You know the sounds of these letters? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಗಿರತ್ತಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Indian ma'am. It is a consonant letter. Yes, perfect. It is a consonant letter. It is having a sound of k. K. C go k ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಕೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಖ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೆಟರ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಖ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಹೇಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ? ನನಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್? ಡಸ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್? ಹೇಗ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, in which word we'll be using C, wherein it will be ending with C, ending with K. How do we know it? Or begins with C, begins with K, ends with CK. ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ? There is a rule. With this rule, you'll be able to identify when to begin a word with C. Sorry, I mentioned in the beginning as end with C and K. When do we use C and K in the beginning and end the word with CK? Okay? Remember this rule. C goes with A, O, and U. What? C goes with, this is C. C goes with A, O, and U. If at all the word, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಿದು ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಆ ತರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸಿ ಗೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಓ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು. ಈ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು ಎ ಓ ಯು. ಈ 3 ವವಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರೋ ಅಕ್ಷರವಾದದ್ದು ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಿ ಗೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಓ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು. Why I have written 2 times is that so that it looks in the format of a cat. ಒಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ತರಾನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಸಿ ಗೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಓ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು. He goes with A, O, and U. Then how about K? So you can apply this rule and see whether it is being applied or not. Next, we have K. K goes with the other two. You remember this rhyme? C goes with A, O, U. K goes with the other two. So, ಒಟ್ಟು 5 vowel letters ಗಳೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? We have altogether 5 vowel letters. So, A, O, and U. ಈ 5 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಐ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? The remaining 2 vowel letters that is remaining is I and E. K goes with the other two. So, ಕೈಟ್. ಈ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೆಟರ್ನೇ ನಾನೊಂದು ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ತರಾನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೆ ಗೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಟು. ಕೈಟ್. K is the sound, but I don't use C over here. I am writing K over here because it is being followed with the vowel letter I. K, E, Ch, E. Kite. K goes with the other two. Kettle. Very nice. Any other example can you give for the letters C and K and it follows these 2 rules? ಈ ರೂಲ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. C goes with A, O, U. K goes with the other two. Kick. Very good. Kick. ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್. Kin. Keen. Yes, he is very much interested. He is a keen person. Very nice. Keen. Wow. Amazing example. Keen. K. Sound is the same, but the letter C goes with A, O, and U. K goes with the other two. K goes with other two. Other two is I and E. Then when do we use these 2 letters together, ma'am? When do we use it together? CK is followed by short vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Short vowel. E. E anta sound ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It is followed with a short vowel. Okay. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರೋ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು CK ನ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪದದ ಕೊನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಾಗಿ CK ನ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, CK, these two letters together, CK is followed by shock. Yes, when I'm in a shock that you told me this word. Wow, very nice. Wow, great. CK is followed by short vowel sounds. Short vowels. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಬಬಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನ ಬಳಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಹ ಸಮಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೀಗ ಈ CK ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಕ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಾಕ್. ಕಿಕ್, kick. We use this word to identify whether it is C or K, and this word is ending with CK as well. It is having a short vowel sound. E. Quack. Wow. ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ಯಾಕ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ವಾವ್ ವಾವ್. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಈ ರೂಲ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಬರತ್ತಾ, ಕೆ ಬರತ್ತಾ, if at all you are coming across any new word as such, that point of time you will be able to apply this rule. Law. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A, here O. Duck. Yes. Duck. Short vowel sound of A. D, A, K. Duck. Block. Wow. Lock, block. Super. So it is immediately preceding with a short vowel sound. Luck. Adrishta. I'm so lucky to have you as students. Wow. Luck. Luck. Clock. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್, ಕತ್ತು. ಕತ್ತಿನ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ನೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್. See here, we have used all possible short vowel sounds. Kick, brick, ಕಲ್ಲು, ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ, ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಿಕ್, ಬ್ರಿಕ್, brick. So all these days we had understood what is the phonic sounds, and detailing we had seen phonics. Now we are seeing this digraph. Digraph means here it is in the form of a consonant digraph, two consonant letters together, altogether giving one sound. Giving altogether one sound. ಒಂದೇ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಬರೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು GH, G, ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಶಬ್ದ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಟುಡೇ CK, usage of C, K, CK and compound words have also been understood, and a great interaction with you students. We have started with amazing interaction. Thank you so much. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ for amazing start. We will meet once again next week. Have a great weekend ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you so much. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Thank you students. Thank you everyone. I'm done with today's session.